Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a problem when one of your earbuds of your JBL Tune Flex doesn't work. Let's get started. So the first thing that you can try is to open the JBL headphones application, and here make sure that both of the earbuds are charged. If not, you can just simply put them in a case and wait for about 10-15 minutes. If one of the earbuds has been discharged, it will be charging for a little time, and after this it should work like before. But if this didn't help, we would need to perform a factory reset. For that, we would need to still go to the JBL headphones app and here scroll down to the tab support. Then click on it and here click on this tab reset to factory setting. Then we would need to confirm reset. And after this, your headphones will start performing a factory reset and they will disconnect from your phone and from the app also. So after a factory reset, we would need to reconnect our headphones to our phone. For that, open the Bluetooth settings and on the list My Devices, find your JBL Tune Flex, click on this eye icon and then click on the button Forget this device. Then go back to the Bluetooth settings and here on the tab Other Devices, reconnect to your JBL Tune Flex. And after this, they will successfully connect again. Now we can go back to the JBL app. And as you can see, they have successfully reconnected to the JBL app also. And after this process, both of your earbuds should start working again like before. But if not, you would need to use the warranty on your device because there's no other way to fix this problem by yourself. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.